Genuine Miele Air Clean filter bags are the heart of the air clean sealed system and the most hygienic way to dispose of the dirt, dust, and allergens that are in your home. The self-sealing collar ensures that nothing will escape. The color-coded bag collar and bag dock make it easy to determine which is the right filter bag for your vacuum. Simply insert the collar into the dock, click it in place, tuck in the bag, and close the lid. The only way to properly ensure that you're getting the best performance and filtration out of your Miele is to use genuine Miele Air Clean filter bags. This is our SEB 236, very similar to our SEB 228 in both performance and functionality. However, the 236 has some beautiful design elements and some convenience features that you have to see in action. All right, girls, give me some room to work. Scoot! I'll feed you later. Go.
The SEB 236 has an elegant LED headlight that will assure nothing will escape.
The SEB 236 has an automatic standby switch. By simply lifting the handle, the power nozzle will automatically turn itself off. I then simply remove what's in the way, release the handle back, and the power nozzle will automatically start. Now, if I accidentally vacuum something that I shouldn't, it's not a problem. The SEB 236 will automatically turn itself off. I simply hit the reset switch, and back to work I go.